In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off mouse acceleration in FiveM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to ensure that mouse acceleration is turned off when playing FiveM. So you will have two main ways to do this. One of them is going to be inside of the game itself, and another one is outside of FiveM, so on Windows settings. So inside of FiveM itself, all that you have to do is open the settings, so pause the game at any point, go into the settings tab, and inside of the settings, choose keyboard and mouse. The very first option that you will see is the mouse input method. So what you have to do here is make sure that it is set to something like raw input or direct input. As long as you have something related to raw or direct input, you will be good to go. Raw or direct input means that your mouse's movements will be taken essentially on a one-to-one scale. Of course, this is an overly simplified explanation, but all it means is that mouse acceleration will not be in effect. So make sure that you set this to direct or raw input. And upon changing this option, you are basically good to go. You can customize the smoothing scale over here, which is essentially how smooth your aim is going to be, but the main option that you are looking for is this first one here. Now, to disable this in Windows, to be absolutely sure that mouse acceleration is not enabled, go into the control panel, and if you have these icons here, switch from category to large icons, then go into the mouse options, and then switch to pointer option. Under pointer option, you will find enhancer pointer precision. So this option must be disabled. If it is enabled, now mouse acceleration is enabled, but by unticking this box, now you are good to go. And with this done, mouse acceleration will be properly turned off for FiveM or any other game that you play. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off mouse acceleration FiveM. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.